Welcome to our channel where we uncover the latest developments in smart home technology and connected living. In today's video, we will explore the evolution of smart mirrors and home assistants. These technologies are more than voice-controlled speakers and reflective glass with weather updates. They are becoming intuitive hubs that understand context, emotions, and personal preferences. By the end of this video, you will have a comprehensive view of where these devices started, where they are heading, and how they will impact daily life. Please like this video if you want to stay ahead of home tech trends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive notifications when we publish new content. 1. Origins of smart mirrors. Smart mirrors began as simple displays behind two-way glass. They showed time, weather, calendar events, and news while users got ready. These early smart mirrors signaled the potential for everyday personal computing woven into our routines. 2. Rise of home assistants. Voice-enabled speakers from companies like Amazon, Google, and Apple brought AI into homes. They served as hubs for music playback, timers, reminders, and smart home control. Early assistants offered novelty but limited intelligence and personalization. 3. Convergence of mirrors and assistants. The next step is combining these two devices into one interface. Smart mirrors now integrate voice AI, so users can ask questions, play music, or adjust lighting while brushing their teeth. Unlike phones or tablets, smart mirrors are present at key touchpoints: bathroom sink, bedroom dresser, and entry hallway. 4. Personalization and context awareness. Modern smart mirrors can recognize individual users via face or voice recognition. They adjust displayed information accordingly: daily schedule, fitness goals, or news headlines. Home assistants also learn preferences: preferred commute route, morning music lineup, favorite recipes. Together, they create a more personal and contextually aware home environment. 5. Health and wellness features. Smart mirrors increasingly serve as wellness platforms. They integrate biometric sensors for pulse tracking, stress detection, and emotional analysis. In the gym, mirrors provide real-time form correction using computer vision. They can sync with fitness trackers and health apps to recommend rest or hydration breaks. 6. Beauty and grooming applications. Smart mirrors in salons and homes help users with skincare and makeup. They analyze complexion, detect blemishes, and suggest product routines. Augmented reality overlays allow virtual makeup try-ons. Home assistants can order cosmetics or schedule appointments based on mirror analysis. 7. Energy efficiency and routine automation. Smart mirrors and home assistants help automate energy-saving routines. In the morning, a mirror might turn on lights and play your news ahead of schedule. At night, it can dim lights, adjust thermostat, and set a security system. Assistants work in tandem. Mirrors can trigger routines automatically, or users can request custom scenes verbally. These systems reduce energy waste and align home environments with daily rhythms. 8. Voice and gesture control evolution. Voice remains the primary control method for assistants. But gesture recognition offers a touch-free alternative, especially in bathrooms or kitchens. This blend of voice, gesture, and touch makes control intuitive and hygienic across different contexts. 9. Multimedia and communication integration. Smart mirrors now serve as communication hubs at home. They can display incoming calls, notifications, security camera feeds, or calendar appointments. Home assistants can relay messages to mirrors, such as reminders, alerts, or daily briefing summaries. 10. Family and multi-user households. Modern home hubs must serve multiple users seamlessly. Mirrors and assistants can recognize different voice profiles and switch content automatically, such as music playlists or fitness goals. Privacy zones on the display hide personal messages from other users while keeping shared segments in view. 11. Security and data privacy. Smart mirrors and home assistants collect sensitive data, biometric scans, behavior cues, and voice interactions. Manufacturers are adding on device AI processing and data encryption to keep personal information local. Users must understand privacy settings and limit sharing where appropriate. 12. Smart home ecosystem integration. Mirrors and assistants are becoming control centers for all smart home devices. They link to lighting, HVAC, locks, shades, cameras, speakers, and kitchen appliances. Interoperability makes device choice simpler and avoids ecosystem lock-in. These devices are becoming natural extensions of our homes, blending smoothly into daily routines and forming intuitive touchpoints. If this insight into smart mirrors and home assistants inspired you, please like this video. Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth guides and analyses on evolving home tech. Leave a comment to share whether you own a smart mirror or assistant. Thank you for watching.